講開買嘢咧，都話發覺咧英國啲嘢咧好似越嚟越貴啦。
特別係23年嘅3月咧，就去到19.2% 啊。
有啲係貴咗啲嘅。
Have you changed your purchase habit?
Don't buy as much.
Hello， 大家好。咁樣咧係啦，咁咧我哋咧即係周不時咧同啲朋友傾偈啦，特別即係香港嚟嘅朋友啦，咁都話講開買嘢咧，都話發覺咧英國啲嘢咧好似越嚟越貴啦，即係可能買開同一樣嘢。點解會可能幾十 P 咁樣貴嘅咧？咁樣，咁樣咧就最近咧就碌翻啲舊片咧，咁咧其實我哋咧幾年前咧就有拍過一條超市嘅一個物價比拼嘅片啦，就係呢一條啦。咁我哋今日咧就會去翻同一個牌子嘅超市啦，就係 Waitrose 同埋 Lidl 啦，咁就盡量揾翻一樣嘅產品，咁就睇下究竟20年同25年個價格有幾大嘅升幅咧？係咪真係咁貴咗咁多呢？咁樣，咁我哋而家咧就出發。
出發之前呢，我就想同大家分享一下 Statista 呢個網站啦。佢就顯示咗英國咁多年嚟每年嘅食品通脹率啊。咁我哋咧就由20年開始睇啦，因為呢一年咧係我哋到埗嘅年份啊嘛。咁大家睇到咧，咁就20至21年咧就係疫情啦。咁所有嘅 supply 都中斷晒啦。咁所以咧就令到咧食品價格咧就上漲咗嘅。咁至於高峰咧係去到邊度咧？就係22年至23年啦，特別係23年嘅3月咧，就去到19.2% 啊。咁資料顯示咧，就係話45年嚟啊最高嘅水平啊。主要咧就係受到俄烏戰爭引發嘅能源同埋原料成本上升嘅影響啊。咁去到24年咧，其實都有少少緩和嘅跡象啦。就11月咧就見到係降翻去2%，咁但係咧都係高於疫情前嘅水平嘅。咁2025年又係點樣呢？根據 British Retail Consortium 呢，咁佢就係預計下半年度呢就會係上升到4.2%，似乎短期內呢都冇下降嘅跡象啊。
好啦，第一樣嘢呢就係呢一個青提子、紅提子加埋一齊嘅2.6磅啊，而家賣。咁 buy two 呢就係4磅嘅呢一個。咁呢一隻咧就係 mix 咗啦，青提加紅提咧就係1.89磅。咁佢呢度寫就係2個3啦，1 pack。如果你買2 pack 就4磅咯，同出邊應該唔係相差太遠咯，俾我提子個價錢。咁而家咧就到免治牛啦，咁我就揾唔翻上次嗰一隻啦，咁我就揀咗呢一隻咧就12% fat 嘅6.2磅。咁呢一 pack 咧就係500 gram 嘅免治牛啦，咁就係賣緊2.89磅嘅。呢個牛咧，免治牛係4.2磅，牛就應該好似相差大啲啦個價錢，因為記得之前好似1點幾磅咁樣，都係500 gram 咯。好啦，咁而家咧就到呢個免治豬肉啦。咁我哋當年都係5% fat 嘅，同一個 size 嘅。咁而家咧佢就賣緊3.95磅，5% fat 嘅免治豬啊，2.9磅。一個係瘦嘅免治豬咯，5% fat 就係3磅。咁我記得上次就係好似 around 2磅定知1個9毫幾咁樣。好啦，咁而家呢一個咧就係4件嘅 shoulder steak 啦，即係都係豬扒啦。咁而家咧佢就係賣緊啊5.47磅。好啦，呢個1 kg 嘅 shoulder steak 即係豬扒啦，就係5.9磅，類似豬扒咁嘅嘢啦。shoulder steak 佢就係2.86磅嘅，厚身嘅。咁呢個又唔係貴啊呢個。咁而家呢一隻咧就係雞胸啦，最大 pack 裝嘅。咁而家咧就賣緊8.5磅。咁呢一 pack 咧就係1 kg 嘅雞胸啦，就係賣緊6.49磅。呢一 pack 咧就係1 kg 嘅雞胸啦。咁我哋記得 Aldi 睇到就係4.89磅1 pack 1 kg 嘅雞胸。好啦，咁而家咧就係到呢一隻雀巢高 blend 嘅咖啡粉啦。而家咧係要8.3磅啊！好啦，終於揾到佢啦，仲以為佢冇得賣啊！而家咁呢個雀巢高 blend 咧，呢度賣緊6.75磅。隻咖啡之前喺 Aldi 睇咧係3.99喎，係同一隻咖啡同一個 size， 呢度賣7.65。好啦，咁而家咧就到咗呢隻16卷裝嘅廁紙啦，狗仔牌呢一隻，咁咧佢原價就12.35磅，特價做緊8.5磅。咁有啲到呢度啦 18卷裝嘅 Andres 廁紙咧，佢而家就賣緊8.99磅。呢個廁紙咧，我記得喺 Aldi 係24卷裝嘅，最抵買嗰隻，咁都係8個幾咯。咁啊呢度就少8卷，16卷咧都係嗰個價錢。好啦，到咗呢隻高露潔嘅 Max White 牙膏啊，同之前幾年前嗰隻一樣嘅，而家咧要6磅啊！高露潔 Max White 2.89磅。呢隻牙膏咧，高露潔就記得咧，佢都係1.99嘅，不過而家做緊特價先1.99咯。係啦，咁佢原價都2.99嘅。咁而家咧，我哋咧就發覺咧就冇 cookie and cream 啊，咁咧就揀咗是打隻啦，因為要樣樣味都一樣價錢啊。原價咧就5.65磅，特價咧都做緊3.75磅啦。咁咧發覺咧而家咧可能係我哋呢邊呢一間 Lidl 咧就冇 Häagen-Dazs，咁所以咧我哋就揾唔到嚟比拼啦，即係冇得揾嚟比較啦。咁咧我喺個 total 數咧我就會 skip 咗呢一個 item 去啦。最後 Häagen-Dazs 原價就4.59磅啦一個，咁而家做緊特價咧就6磅2個嘅。咁我記得之前 Aldi 咧一個就係2.48磅，我記得係。好啦，而家到咗可口可樂呢一隻咧1.25 升裝啊，原價2.1磅，做緊特價咧就1.6磅。好啦，到可口可樂啦，就係2.49 2.49磅。呢一隻咧就記得 Aldi 係1.89嘅，咁呢度係都係爭1毫子咯。
5年前嗰條片呢，我就成日將呢度講錯咗 Aldi 啊，咁大家要留意翻啦。咁呢個表呢，就係我做嘅 summary 啦。咁其實呢一個價格嘅比較呢，都係純粹做一個 reference。譬如喺肉類啦，咁我都知道唔同嘅超市入嘅貨都會唔一樣啦，質素亦都唔一樣啦。咁真係純粹俾大家做個參考嘅啫。好明顯呢度呢，就仍然係比 Waitrose 係平好多啦，但係呢，佢過去5年個升幅呢，其實佢係大過 Waitrose 嘅喎。咁大家見到呢，其實個升幅呢，平均都有3成咯，其實真係幾誇張。
一陣咧，我咧就會嘗試有冇啲 local 咧肯接受我幾句訪問咧，就問下佢哋覺得而家即係睇佢哋 feel 唔 feel 到啲價格咧都係上升得好誇張啦，即係會唔會因為某啲嘢太貴而停止咗冇買咧咁樣？咁我哋俾完錢咧，我就會睇下捉唔捉到幾個 local 問。咁我身邊呢位先生咧就叫 Colin 啦，咁我就準備問下佢1-2條好簡單嘅問題。What price increased shocked you the most over the past few years?
War. Too much war on the planet.
Yeah, too much war.
Too much war. Too much
Yeah,
fighting.
I understood. So, is there any item that you think the price has been increased a lot, insanely expensive?
No, just the cost of living in general, really.
Yeah. Is there anything you've stopped buying because of the price increasement?
Not so far.
Nothing.
No,
So
not so far.
Not so far. So it doesn't affect you much.
No, not at the moment. No.
Not at the moment. All right.
Pleased to say. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
咁咧，可能呢一區咧啲人都比較有錢啊，咁所以咧都可能對佢哋嚟講咧，即係佢 feel 到有增幅嘅價格，但係就唔會話好大影響咯，對佢嚟講。咁所以咧，我哋咧就不如咁樣啦，就落去呢度啦。好啦，咁你而家喺呢度咧就撞到一位咧嚟咗好多年嘅香港人啦，咁佢叫 Desmond 啦，咁都我哋嘅觀眾啦，好開心即係認識你啦今日。咁咧就想問下咧，你咁多年啦，你覺唔覺得呢幾年咧個價格係升得特別誇張咧？
我覺得一啲啲啦嚇，有啲基本嗰啲咧就唔係好覺，因為佢平啊。咁貴價少少嗰啲咁又係嘅，有啲係貴咗啲嘅嚇。
有冇邊一類型你覺得個升幅特別多咧？
我又冇乜留意。
冇乜留意，即係都冇乜影響啦，即係對你。
唔係太大影響，我哋都半退休人士咧。我哋喺南部搬上嚟。
哦，OK， 即係都覺得都係可接受水平。
可接受嘅，其實唔係太過分嘅，我覺得就。
唔係太誇張。
未去到一個。
冇影響到生活。
未影響到生活嗰個程度咯，
哦，OK。
其實我哋仲撞到另一對香港人夫婦嘅，咁佢就會覺得係個升幅係好誇張啦，過去啲2-3年，但係咧佢就比較怕醜啦，就唔願意接受訪問嘅。咁其實我發覺咧做街訪一啲都唔容易，特別喺我哋呢度啲 town 仔咧，真係好難揾啊！一係就撞到啲東歐人啦，就話英文唔叻啦，唔肯接受訪問啦；一係咧就急腳咧就趕住翻屋企，就唔願意停低嘅。咁等咗好耐咧，足之咧都有一位女士咧很願意接受我哋訪問啊，好感激佢啊！
咁我身邊咧就 Mrs. Cole， 咁我就而家準備問佢問題啦。So what item price increase shocked you the most?
Food.
Like what kind of food? Like frozen meat, like
Yeah.
beef, pork,
Yeah,
right?
beef,
yeah.
pork, yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything stopped you buying because it's too expensive?
No, because we still need to eat.
Have you changed your purchase habit because of the price increase?
Don't buy as much.
Just buy what you need.
Yeah, yeah.
I
yeah.
see.
Don't bulk buy anymore.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
呢條片呢就差唔多到尾聲啦，咁呢，學最後嗰位女士話齋，就有需要先至買，就唔好呢亂咁買太多無謂嘅嘢啊，唔好 bulk buy 啊，用幾多買幾多。如果大家都中意我哋今次嘅分享，記得要 like、share、subscribe 同埋 comment 咋。我哋下條片再見，拜拜。